గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈరోజు మనం కాంప్లెక్స్ అనాలిసిస్లో ఒక ప్రాబ్లం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. ఓకే, ఎవాల్యూట్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ e⁻2z బార్ dz వేర్ c ఇస్ ద యూనిట్ సర్కిల్. ఓకే, ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలి దాని గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. ఇంటిగ్రల్ e⁻2z బార్ dz వేర్ c ఇస్ ద యూనిట్ సర్కిల్. రైట్, సొల్యూషన్ given C is unit circle. అంటే ఏంటి? దట్ మీన్స్ దట్ ఇంప్లైస్ mod z is equal to 1. Unit circle means mod z is equal to 1. Okay, so this implies mod z whole square is equal to 1. Okay, this implies what is mod z whole square? Z bar is equal to 1. This implies z bar is equal to 1 by z. Okay. Now given integral is integral 0 integral c closed curve c e⁻2z bar dz is equal to integral c. Now what is z bar? 1 by z. Therefore e⁻2 by z dz. Right. Now we have to find this. Okay. By using residue theorem, we will find this value. Okay. Right. Here, let f of z is equal to e⁻2 by z. Right. Clearly, z is equal to 0 is a singular point. Z is equal to 0 is a singular point. Okay. Therefore, e⁻2 by z is equal to 1 plus 2 by z plus 2 by z whole square by 2 factorial plus and so on. This is the expansion of e⁻2z. Right. Therefore, the coefficient of 1 by z is equal to 2. That is the residue of f of z at z is equal to 0. Right. Now by residue theorem, integral e⁻2z bar dz is equal to integral e⁻2 by z dz. This is equal to 2 pi I into sum of residues. Right. So this is equal to 2 pi I into what is the sum of residues? Only one residue is there. At z is equal to 0 is a singular point. 2 is the residue at z is equal to 0. Okay. So therefore, the sum of residues means only one residue is 2. 2 2s are 4 pi I. Therefore, integral e⁻2z bar dz is equal to 4 pi I. This is the required answer. Right. Raja?